I'm getting ready to make a chocolate vegan ganache that is smooth and absolutely delicious. The recipe comes from the cookbook Vegan with a Vengeance, and it's so simple to make. Let's get started. First, you're gonna heat some creamer in a saucepan, and I use a soy vanilla creamer. Once that heats up, add in your vegan butter and stir until melted. Then you'll want to turn off the heat and pour in your chocolate, and then stir that in until it's smooth. You'll probably want to use a whisk at the end just to make sure that it's fully incorporated. Let that sit for about an hour, and then it's ready to go. Pretty simple, right? I love this ganache. It is silky smooth and very decadent. I use it on top of a chocolate raspberry cake that I make frequently, also from that same cookbook. Very good. And I will link to that video as soon as I make it. I'll put it in the description for you so you can see how easy it is to pull together. I hope you give this a try. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.